Okay, and this is what it looks like when you look inside the vehicle from outside. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to my channel, and if you clicked on this video, you'll probably want to see the carbon fiber trim for the Tesla Model Y. So the guys from T-Parts sent me this, and I am very grateful they did. So let's try and install these parts. And I have a full carbon fiber set, but today we'll just go over the interior carbon fiber parts that I got so far. So let's unbox this. This is the box. I cut it open to see if the right stuff is in it. Otherwise I would have sent it back. The box looks in a good shape. It says fragile, please do not double stack. And it came with UPS. There was something else in it as well, and there was some bubble wrap in this box. And then we have this. Put this to the side. Let's see what we got here. It says premium console cover for Model 3 or Y generation 2.0 console. So the very first one was a little bit different, and for that one this will not work. This is for the second gen console, so like my 22 Model Y. Okay, let's look at the box here. Same thing here. It says the colors it comes in, so carbon fiber, suede, what people a lot of times call Alcantara, or wood. And I was interested in the wood, but they're doing new woods and new designs, and so they sent me the carbon fiber, which was all right. So what does it say here? There's a little card. It says dedicated, slim design, which is good, non-destructive installation, which is good, and effective protection. So I want to see that. And it comes from tparts.com, and it's manufactured in China. Okay, so let's look into the box. Okay, here's the box. I see some alcohol prep pads, almost like when you get a shot. Yeah, good. Take this out, and it is super light. And I see 3M tape already on it. Let's say it's packed really well, and it feels like quality also. You can unzip this. One-handed again. Like you guys know, that's always a little bit of a struggle. And here we go. This is the carbon fiber part. It's like a satin. It's not really glossy, which I like. It says 3M double coated tape. I think this is real 3M tape, otherwise it wouldn't say on it. Yeah, this is definitely, this feels like real carbon fiber, not like plastic to me. Let's look at the second part here. This is a little more tricky to get out. The package is kind of small, so this is kind of not fun. Come on. Okay, there we go. You have to line that up just right to get it out. Okay, here, look at that. It even has a designated spot for the fob for the key card, so you know where to tap the key card. Look, that's good. I wonder how the wood, what that would look like. Okay, it looks like it's cut really well. Okay guys, so let's go install it. That can't be too hard. Let's take this, one per section, and prep the Tesla, okay? I am now inside my Tesla, and it is warm in here because I turned the heat on. Because it is cold here in Utah still. We had very strong winds, cold temperatures, and right now inside the garage the Tesla shows 55 degrees. It feels like a little less, but I believe it. But anyways, shouldn't do this when it's too cold. So I am finding a way to put the camera down, and then I'll clean this, and we'll put the cover on this part first, and then we'll put the second one right here on this one. All right. So let's see how we do this. This is a little tricky. Gotta get this tape off. I hope the light is good enough in here, because I don't have an extra light, so I have the just the normal little interior lights on. Well, this is tricky to get that off. Okay, once it peels off, it comes off. I see a couple little bubbles in there. Do you see that? Well, I hope this works out. So I've never done this before, so we'll see. Hope I don't get it on crooked and screwed up. Alright, let's not talk. I feel like it's sticking out too much to the front here, because it's taller, it's a little longer than this, which is weird. But you know, if you look at this here, it fits still, and this is not sticking really good. So I don't know what's going on here. Probably think I'm pretty much of an amateur here, which I am. Just the guy that's trying to install this, since I got it from T-Parts. Okay, good thing is it slides really good, doesn't get stuck. The bad thing is this here, hear that? It's not completely flush, and I don't know why. I feel a hump in here. I think there's a bubble or something in there, but I don't know why. I don't like that. I don't like this right here. I don't like that. Look at it. See, it looks like it's installed right, but I don't like that hump that I feel here and here. I'm not sure what happened there. Yeah, that's a bummer there. I don't like this part right here, but here it feels good. It's just this part here, no brainer there. Okay, all right, this is the little pads to clean, and I have another one, and I'll clean the other the other trim piece up here. Okay, I'll put the camera away, I'll clean it, and I'll be right back. Okay, and here we go. I have this in my hand right here. Okay, took the tape off. I'm sorry, it is a little awkward, but I have to line it up just right. Slide it in, because it sticks pretty good. Once it gets in there, it starts sticking. Okay, this part is sticking good. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, let me get the camera a little bit different here. Okay guys, why is that? That glare there is in the camera. That's not really a glare in here. I'll turn the lights off in here, see if it's a little better. Okay, this is what it looks like. I like the look. It looks good. It looks more updated than before. This one is flush. It doesn't stick out. There's no bubble in there like the other one. It's I really like it. Yeah, this one here, right there, that's not good. Right there, okay? See that? That's not good. I don't like it. This one here is perfect. Yeah, feels good. It feels smooth. It's not too glossy, shiny. Let's turn the light back on in here. I think it's a good product. So yeah, there you have it. How do you like it? Just put it in the comments. This company here, T-Parts, they sell all kinds of trims in carbon fiber. They sell, I believe, this in carbon fiber. They sell a carbon fiber kit for the steering wheel, which I will also get to match that, so it complements it well. They sell all kinds of carbon fiber parts, and I'm not a carbon fiber fan because a lot of times if you overdo it, it looks really cheesy and ugly. But I think this looks good and looks better than that gray. So I'm happy with it. I like it. I don't like this part here. I'll ask him about that. Maybe he'll send me a new part. I don't know. If you want to look up their website, tparts.com, I'll put it in the description and the subtitles. Please go see what they have. And if you put my code in, and I'll put my code in right now, then you get 15% off your purchase at tparts.com. So go ahead and look at their website. It's well worth it. They have good quality parts. I have other parts from them that already got shipped that I will install soon, and I'll check them out, and the quality seems to be very good. Now, how will it hold up? That we will find out after a while. So, but for now, I'm happy with it. I'll see if I can fix this somehow. Maybe with the sun, with the heat, it will fix it. Maybe not. If you have an idea, let me know what's going on here. And if you like the product, please buy it. Use my code, 15% off. And please subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. If you don't like the Tesla, go ahead and watch my town car videos, or my Shelby videos, or the Mercedes videos, or also the Ford Explorer videos, or my shorts that I'm posting. There's something for everyone. Alright guys, have a wonderful night, and please let me know if you like this or if you don't like it. Alright guys, have a good night.